Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm starting this vlog here because I realized I never started a vlog. Now listen, I told you I'm not a vlogger. I'm trying to get into it, and I will admit I have been horrible at it. So these next clips of this whole video is just gonna be snippets of days, literally probably 2 to 3 weeks worth. I'm sorry. I am going to just combine them all on this vlog and get you caught up. And then going forward, I'm gonna be better at this because I wasn't paying attention to when a vlog was starting, when a vlog should have stopped, and then keeping you up. So it's a jumbled mess, but I still wanted to put out there what I've done in these weeks, mostly for my memory. That is what this vlog is. I promise going forward, they will be better. So let's just get into it.
Little cute restaurant here.
Okay, so we just got breakfast. I forgot to film. What did you get? You just got eggs.
I got eggs and bacon.
I just got an omelet. And just like that, 20 minutes later, it's sunny. That's the one thing about Florida I love and hate. Like, I hate that it rains so often, but love that if you just wait it out for 20 minutes, it's done. Now we're going to Target.
Gonna pick up some household goodies that we need.
Hey guys, I'm a horrible vlogger. I told you I was gonna try to be better at it, and I just didn't do it. I literally filmed a clip 2 days ago in this exact spot after I had gotten out of the shower to start a vlog, and then I forgot to film anything else that day. So it's now Wednesday, it's May 4th. It is like 11 a.m. I slept until like 9 something, which was amazing. Just edited a video, so now it's importing and I'm gonna edit another one. Otherwise, after lunch, I need to like grind and get this fucking place put together. So let me see what happened the last couple of days. Obviously, I'm gonna try to show you more than just tell you, but Monday, I walked and met Mike at his work, and then we walked together to the Yard House. It was just a place for lunch. And then what happened? I came back here and went to Home Goods because I'm trying to find chairs. I've mentioned that before, but I'm trying to find chairs for the computer area and my makeup area, because the chair I currently have for the makeup area is broke, and then I would just like them to match. So I went there, couldn't find anything, and then just came back, unpacked a little bit, and then chilled until Mike came home. And then we went to dinner. Was that the night? I think so, yeah. We went to Moraki, which is a Greek restaurant. We went to that once before when we came here last time, but we went to the one in downtown and I didn't really like it. And I think it's because I had the pasticcio. I have the pasticcio everywhere I go because it's my favorite Greek dinner or meal. But nobody in America that I have found makes it correctly. And so it's just not good. So anyways, that was really disgusting. Some people get close though. And so now I'm trying to find a place in Miami that gets close, and I haven't found one yet. But anyways, Moraki downtown, didn't really love. Loved the vibe, like where it was located, loved. But didn't really love that. So then when we went to Moraki in Coconut Grove, I knew right away not to even try the pasticcio. So instead, we got beefsteak for a family of 2, so it's like family style, which is my favorite because it's actually how they eat in Greece. So fucking amazing. Like, oh my god, I should have recorded. Actually, now that I think about it, I think I may have got a little clip on my phone. Yeah, a 3-second clip. So I'll show you the food here. But basically it was like a chicken, 2 beef patties, 2 lamb patties, fries, and pita, and it was so good. So that was Monday. Oh, also Monday we went to Trader Joe's and got a couple of things. So then yesterday we just DoorDashed lunch, and then we went to this place called The Brick last night, which is just like supposed to be a kitchen and bar. But we did that because it was close to TJ Maxx, because I wanted to go back. Where it's a TJ Maxx and Home Goods combined. Never seen it before, but it is. So I keep interchanging the words. But we went back there because there's this rug I was obsessed with, but I wanted to show him first before buying it because it was like $399. So I wanted his opinion first. Well, we went there and got it, and it was a whole debacle on just getting it because we literally sat in the line or stood in the line for like 20 minutes because it was an extremely long line. And then got up there and the guy's like, oh no, you don't just take a picture. You have to have the associate pull it down for you. So then we had to go, they helped us get an associate who could go pull it down. So then they went and pulled it down for us. So then as we were walking back up, I was like, okay, I'll just go grab the car so we can, because there's like a 10-minute you're waiting just to pick up parking. So I was like, let me go get the car so it's up front. So Mike took my card because he didn't bring his wallet, and he followed them to the register to go pay. So I went and got the car. I'm not even kidding, like 10-15 minutes goes by and I'm like, what the fuck is happening? Mind you, Mike's phone is dead, so I couldn't even call him to figure out what was happening. Couldn't leave the car because it's supposed to be only like a 10-minute loading zone. After, I want to say it was like 35 minutes of sitting there waiting, he finally comes out and I was like, dude, they made you go back through the line, didn't they? And he's like, yeah, but then on top of that, they tried to accuse him of stealing. All because I guess when he finally got through the line again and paid, they told him that there was no associates that could help him carry it out. And so he just said, okay, fuck it, I'm just gonna carry it myself. Well, because it's technically behind the counter, some person just started screaming that he was stealing, I guess. He said that he just threw the receipt at them and is like, no, I fucking paid for this. Anyways, it was a long night, let's just say that. So then we didn't get back here till like 9 o'clock, which I feel bad for Mike because he didn't have any break from his job. So that's what we did last night. So we did set it up. So let me show you actually. We also bought a coffee, not a coffee table, why is my brain not working? We bought that thing. Brain. TV stand. Why? I don't know why that was so hard. I really wanted a black one, but we couldn't find one that we agreed on. So then finally we agreed on one. And I completely forgot until Mike pulled it out of the package that we got a off-white one. So I don't think it's gonna match. So we're probably gonna have to take it back because it says off-white, but really it pulls gray. And I'm like, that's too many different white colors because I didn't even think about it when I bought this rug that the couch is its own white color and they're not the same white color. And now that's bugging me, but I'm like, it's good enough, it's fine. But I can't then also have a white TV console that doesn't match. So I really want black. Anyways, this is the rug. She's so pretty. I think it's like a 10 by 13 if I remember right. Anyways, it's so fucking soft and plush and oh, I love it. Anyways, so now like the color is driving me insane because that's very much more white and this is very much more cream beige. I don't even know if the camera is showing it, probably not, which is fine. Anyways, so then now I'm like, it's not all flowing. So then the table we got, literally Mike put it up against our dressers and it matches almost identically. And these are off white, but they pull gray. So I'm like, that's not gonna go. I'm thinking black, you know what I mean? Like, but then I'm like, is that too dark? Is that too much dark? Shouldn't the black just be the off? I don't know. Cause like if you look, our table's accent is also black. So I'm like, would that be too much? I don't know, let me know. Although by the time I've posted this video, I've already made the decision because I only have so much time to take that back. Oh hey, I cleaned the kitchen. But I still have all of this to do. It's pretty deep, so. I'm really not looking forward to this. I keep putting it off. I do like 1 or 2 boxes a day and I'm like, okay. Because yesterday I wanted to watch the new 365-day movie, This Day or whatever. Compared to the first one, that movie was shit. I'm just saying. It was like just a glorified porno, to be honest. Anyways, I'm gonna go at it and I'm gonna 110% try to remember to vlog today. I don't think we're going out and doing anything though because Mike wants to put stuff together and clearly when he gets off work I'm not giving him enough time. But you know, I'm home, I'm bored. Anyways, all right. I'm gonna go. I haven't been filming. It's Saturday. I'm gonna get ready because I look like a hot mess. And I cannot stop breaking out. I got some new products from Sephora, so I wanted to try them out. So I'm gonna get ready and I'll come back when I look presentable. Oh my God, I think I found my new favorite. Look at that. I didn't curl my lashes. Granted, I have decently like curled lashes, but I didn't curl them. It's 2 coats. Oh my God, I think I found my new favorite. Okay, I'm finished. What Mike said, OOTD. This is from Dia & Co. I still don't know how to say it. Pants I Torrid. And then I got my shoes are gonna be Docs. But we need to figure out where the hell we're eating still. And then go to the grocery store. We decided we're gonna do the beach tomorrow. I'm already hot and haven't even left the air conditioning. This is not good. All right, gotta take you wherever we end up. You combing your beard?
Yeah, it's getting too much. I gotta try it.
I'm a horrible vlogger. We know this. Practice makes perfect. But we just went out to lunch at Doc B's. Is that what it's called? I think Doc B's Kitchen or something like that. It was really good. And then we wanted to go to Target, but we decided we wanted to go to the Design District first. So we went to the Design District. You can't really film in any of the luxury stores, so I just didn't even bother filming walking. Maybe I'll get it and be brave one day. One day when it's not a weekend, because you know they're packed. But anyways, I figured we stopped here before going to Target. So I was gonna give you an update on the apartment and then let's unbox what I bought. This is what we're looking like so far at the apartment. Still lots of boxes, but we're getting there. These are pretty much all the boxes I have left to put away. And then that stuff, because that's all kitchen stuff. And so I needed him to build the pantry thing we bought, so he just built that last night. So I need to put stuff in there. I think it's funny how many wood pieces we have that are different. Like, here's the cabinets here, so they're dark. And then we have this, which online looked like it was gonna match the coffee table. I don't think this is doing justice. That's more brown, and this is more gray. And then this is like a white. And then he just pulled out the stuff for his bar cart that he got as a gift. And it's a really dark wood. So, safe to say we have lots of wood colors going on. But let me set you up and then we'll unbox what I got for Fendi. Oh, I forgot. I did just change. I tried a strapless bra that I haven't worn before and that thing was suffocating me. And then the shirt is really cute, but it's just so heavy and hot. And anyways, so I took them both off as soon as I got back here to find out that I forgot to take the tags off the bra and the shirt. So, whoops. Anyways, let's open this bad boy up. I did not pay attention to price, which I never do, but I thought these were like $500 and some dollars. I was wrong, really wrong. So, I just have the receipt. This is called the, God, I don't even know, Nano something. Oh my God, it was $55 in taxes, Mike. He's sleeping. So this is the Nano Baguette Charm Bag, I think. So it's originally $7.90. I paid $8.45 because of taxes. Taxes. Anyways, I was thinking it was like a $500 and some dollar bag, but I think I was mistaking it with, or charm. I was mistaking it with like the pouches for somebody else, and now I can't think of what other brand that was. Anyways, so this is the box. I love these boxes. I love the yellow. Comes in its little baby dust bags. They're so little and cute. Anyways, this is gonna sound absolutely ridiculous, but I bought this to literally hook on the outside of my purses, anyone that I buy or use, just to hold my keys. I know that sounds ridiculous, but I have big bags that have like big holes in them. You know, they're just open bags. And I needed something to carry the keys in because I don't need keys for my car. So I'm not used to having to dig through my purse to get them. But to get anywhere in this apartment building, you have to have the key. So I wanted something like this. I was actually thinking of the Louis one just because most of my bags are Louis, so it'd match, but I love Fendi, so I decided to do this because it will match anything since it's white. But this is what she looks like. Very cute, very cute. And she's just a little baby. So technically these are charms, but also it does come with a string or a chain. So you could wear it as a nano bag, but like on my fat ass body, oh my God, tell me why it's so adorable. I have an obsession with baby bags. Anyways, so technically you could like put your wallet and stuff in here and carry this as a baby bag. But yeah, it's so cute. I'll just take it out. Look how cute it is. So it does fit. Like, I mean, that would fit my card, my ID, and my keys. But I literally bought it just for the charm aspect. Okay, I think we're gonna chill here for a little bit. Mike is power napping. Can you believe this fucking tiny ass thing is $900 almost? It's mind boggling. I won't talk about it. Nobody tell my mom about this video. Thanks much. Oh, and just the authentication card. God, I can't speak. Yeah, Nano Baguette, Napa Matisse FF, whatever that means, and Bianca. My battery is flashing at me, so I'm gonna go. I will try to be good and vlog in Target. Guys, we sold Mike's car to Carvana. It's funny because the guy who came to pick it up can't drive stick, so Mike has to drive it onto the, what is it called, the bed? We haven't even had this car for not even 2 years. But in Miami, it's horrible to have a stick shift, which is what that is. Also, it's kind of pointless to have 2 cars here right now since I don't have a job at the moment. Okay, say bye to the car. And away she goes. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming because this is awkward, but she's gone. So cute. Look at this, we found this park. Oh, but look how creepy these trees are.
It's so weird. Look, you can walk them like in between. There's a little trail back here.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, just go that way. Oh, just don't enter. Just kidding, don't go that way.
Oh, that's a nice area.
We were just exploring.
Maybe when we get a boat, we can come at this direction.
LA, what the fuck is this?
I don't know.
Get over, get out of here.
Looks like a little club or something.
Redfish, what's that? Let me Google. Sorry, I had to stop filming so I could look it up. I'm on my phone.
Totally the wrong way, but I want to see the water.
Michael. It's a seafood restaurant, in case you're curious.
Looks like people come on kayaking here. That's a really nice view.
Is there like a beach or something? Because there's literally people like washing themselves off.
I think it's just people coming from here. And there's kind of a sandy beach up there. There's a trailer and there's a bunch of kayaks, so I'm wondering if you can rent them.
Interesting.
It's kind of a dirty beach.
You're a dirty bitch.
Not like dirty, but like...
I mean beach.
You have... Alright, enough. Hi.
Hi.
Should we go take another direction?
Yeah, let's go try to get back in there. This whole area over there is gated. We tried to get in there. There's one street that it looked like wasn't gated.
Some fancy houses over there.
So, we're gonna attempt to get in there. You can see downtown, kind of. Oh. Okay, so we're out of that area. I just have to show you some of these houses. They are so big and nice. And I love these old trees. What did you say they were called?
I can't remember, but they were planted back when Coral Gables was first a city.
They're called like the Gables something, like they named them the Gable trees or something. It looks like fall. Why are the leaves on the ground? It's May.
Hey, it's about to be summer.
Right? Oh, so nice. Oh my god, so I have to tell you, we saw a house earlier up here that had a shit ton of Rolls Royces in it, and we came back and there's also cops in there. So we're...
You're gonna see them way better.
Yeah, we're adamant that it's a drug bust. Look at these gates everywhere. Ugh, let us in. Just want to see your pretty houses. This is the one we thought was ungated. Turns out the gate's just further back.
There's a cocaine house.
Where?
Oh, wrong house again.
Good God, Mike.
Sorry.
I think it's coming up. Oh, there's the police. Maybe right there. You see, there's a shit ton of cars.
Like,
yeah, this
quite a
one.
bit, yeah.
And like, in the
there's the police back there.
police is still there.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Did you see that?
What? They got somebody arrested?
No, it was a military uniform. What in the hell is going on back there? Like a DEA drug bust.
Okay. We're on our way to go to the Crafty Crab. I keep wanting to think it's the Krusty Krab. It is the pizza. Anyways, because I want crab. So we're gonna go and I'll see you then. Unless I say something cooler. Like, why are these trees so fascinating? Okay, I'm gonna go. Look at this. Okay.